Kawasaki has revived its mid-size adventure segment with the all-new KLE 500, a bike designed to bridge the gap between urban commuting, highway cruising, and light off-road exploration. Powered by a 451cc liquid-cooled DOHC parallel twin engine, the KLE 500 blends modern engineering with adventure-focused DNA. At the heart of the KLE 500 is a 451cc parallel twin engine with a 70mm bore, 58.6mm stroke, and a compression ratio of 11.3 to 1. It is mated to a 6-speed gearbox with an assist and slipper clutch. The US spec produces 51 horsepower at 10,000 RPM and 31.7 pound-feet of torque at 7,500 RPM, providing a livelier top end suitable for highway riding. The EU spec is limited to 45.4 horsepower at 9,000 RPM and 42.6 Newton-meters of torque at 6,000 RPM, offering smoother low to mid-range delivery in compliance with European licensing requirements. The chassis of the KLE 500 features a high-tensile steel trellis frame to optimize rigidity and weight distribution. The suspension setup emphasizes adventure capability, a 43mm KYB USD front fork with 210mm of travel and a Unitrack rear monoshock with 196mm of travel and adjustable spring preload. The front fork is non-adjustable, maintaining simplicity, while the rear preload adjustment allows riders to tailor the setup for solo riding, pillion passengers, or luggage. The bike rides on a 21-inch front and 17-inch rear spoked wheel setup fitted with dual-purpose tires. Ground clearance stands at 185mm with a seat height of 870mm, providing an upright, commanding riding position suitable for adventure touring. Braking on the KLE 500 is handled by disc brakes at both ends. The front features a 300mm disc with a dual-piston caliper, while the rear has a 230mm disc, also with a dual-piston caliper. Both discs are supported by switchable ABS that can be fully disabled. For those seeking extra comfort and equipment, Premium SE version adds a 4.3-inch TFT display, LED indicators, a taller windscreen, handguards, and a reinforced skid plate, making it better suited for touring or extended mixed-terrain adventures. Both versions are smartphone compatible, allowing access to navigation, ride logging, and voice command features, while the standard version comes with an LCD display. Fuel capacity is 16 liters, providing a practical range. The standard model has a wet weight of 194 kilograms, while the SE version weighs 195 kilograms. Overall, the KLE 500 positions itself as a versatile, middleweight adventure bike that balances comfort, practicality, and light off-road capability. Its combination of a responsive 451cc engine, long-travel suspension, rally-inspired ergonomics, and adjustable features makes it suitable for commuting, touring, and gravel road exploration. While it may not be designed for extreme off-road conditions, the KLE 500 excels as a practical, all-around adventure motorcycle.